Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with Kraken staking, beginner guide step by step clearly. To begin, visit the Kraken website at www.kraken.com. On the homepage, locate the Get Started or Join button. Click on that button to initiate the registration process. You will be prompted to enter your email address. After entering your email, choose a strong password. Make sure your password meets the platform's security requirements. Once you've completed this step, read through the terms of service and privacy policy. If you agree, check the box to accept the terms. Next, click the Create Account button to proceed. Check your email for a confirmation message from Kraken. Follow the link in the email to verify your account. Once your account is verified, return to the Kraken website. Log in using the email and password you just set. Now, go to the verification section in your account settings. Complete the identity verification process by providing the required documents. This may include a government-issued ID and proof of address. Once submitted, wait for Kraken to review your documents. After verification is complete, you can log back into your account. Navigate to the Funding tab to deposit funds into your account. Choose your preferred cryptocurrency or fiat currency for deposit. Follow the instructions to complete the deposit process. Once your funds are in your account, go to the staking section. Select the cryptocurrency you wish to stake. Review the staking options available for that currency. Read through the terms and potential rewards for staking. If you're ready, click on the Stake Now button. Enter the amount you wish to stake. Confirm your staking transaction. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.